So what I'm most thankful for is having the opportunity to contribute to the world of work and enabling financial independence from family and spouses.
That is, they are more willing to take on challenges in fields like engineering, science and technology.
As women, I think we should celebrate the fact that we have the right to vote, we have the right to education, we have the right to life. And these are things that women in the past have fought really hard for, and I am most grateful and thankful for that.
We are educated.
We can drive.
I think the confidence that they have gained. Women are more or less working in all the industries today in our country as well, pretty much being an Asian country. With those, they have gained confidence that they can walk in anywhere, work what they like to do, and they are not forced to do this. Now you are given more opportunities to do what you like, travel where you like.
Women were more into family maintenance, things like that. They were not much involved in the economy. So even though they had the talent and skill to give, I would say equally or sometimes more than men, but they didn't have that chance. They have the capability and then they have got the chance to get the education and then give their contribution to the economy. Indirectly or directly, it has impacted the improvement of families and also the improvement of Sri Lankan economy, if I take it as a country.
Back in the days, women often grew up in a paradox. Women were supposed to be strong, at the same time they were supposed to be gentle. At times it really meant to be weak in front of men. Women were supposed to be independent, and people actually wanted women to be dependent on their husband. Today, the society has empowered the women to a great extent. When you talk about corporate world, how women are treated, how women are more exposed to leadership roles and the equality towards women, I think that's what I'm more grateful about.
I think we as women should promote better role models for younger women to have more self-esteem, to be better people actually, and to fight for gender equality, because that is something we do not have. We need to make better progress in that field. So for 2016, I think gender equality is the way to go.